What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna try to pressure wash this thing. Now, I have no foam for my pressure washer, no special soap to spray on the car, so we're just gonna do straight up water pressure, see what we can get off, and then maybe do it again sometime down the road with some foam or whatever to really get it clean. So anyways, I've worked like 7 days straight. It's my 7th day I've had to work, and I'm off now, and I want to work on the car a little bit, so I'm gonna clean it up. You see I got the windows taped up. Y'all don't judge me on that. I did the best I could. I'm just trying to keep whatever water that hits it from getting in, minimize the water going inside the car. I'm gonna do the outside first before I go inside the car. So today we are doing the outside of the car just to kind of see what we can get off. If you can see, there's like a gang of wasps right there on the corner of my house, and they've been getting at me. So that might be the first thing in this video I do, is hit them with a little water pressure and get their ass on. You see the AC cooling running. It's fucking 95 in October out here, so it's Alabama weather for you. So anyway, first thing we're doing to this car, we're gonna wash it. So let's get after it. I don't know how loud this pressure washer is gonna be. By the way, $100 at Lowe's, great investment. You look at my house, you see this side and this side. This side's been pressure washed with it, and look how clean it is compared to this side. So it's excellent. You buy the Lowe's soap, put in there, let it sit, then spray it, takes everything off. And I'll probably buy the stuff for the cars too, to spray on this car and see what I can get off. But anyways, let's get to it. If I don't talk, it may be because the pressure washer is too loud and you can't hear me. So we'll just go through it and see what we can knock off, guys. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. You can do it. You can do it. There we go. There we go. Oh, yeah. Get them wasps. Get out my face, yo. Get out my face. A little water pressure. Alright guys, I'm going to wrap this up, but here it is. I'm done pressure washing it. So, what do you guys think? It looks a lot better, but the pressure wash revealed some things to me. And let's go over a few of these things. So this front bumper's flaking real bad. I had to be easy with it on the pressure washer, as you see. But, I mean, I'm going to end up having to paint that bumper. I'm going to end up painting the whole car anyway. So, I got a lot of these rust spots right here. It's kind of like what gets on a house over time. So I may or may not, I don't know, I may buy some foam and see if I can get it off. I got it off of my house, but I don't think I can use the same foam as I used on my house. And I got a little surface rust revealed up under the soot. It ain't no big deal. It can be sanded, it can be fixed. The body's still straight from what I see. Everything's fixable, right? And that thing will never stop running ever. I mean, it's October, dude. Like, please, Lord, give us a break. So, anyway, so the next step will be inside. I'm not 100% sure if I can pressure wash the inside. I may hand wash it. I don't know. I'm gonna ask the TikTok community what they think. But yeah, this is it. It come pretty clean. So I'm proud. I'm happy. You know, I'm happy with the job that I did. The engine bay, I did spray it. Mostly I wanted to get the build up that was like right here. There's a lot of build up in the seals of the car. So I got all the build up out. The engine bay itself needs a lot of work. This engine will be rebuilt. I'm gonna pull it, rebuild it, and I'm gonna redo a lot of stuff in this engine bay. That's part of the project. We're gonna redo the whole car. So first things first, we got to get some windows. I got to get these bolts on so I can move it around, and I got to get a key to it. And then maybe somebody will buy that thing, and I can have this thing where that thing is and set me up a little workspace. Because I do not want to do a workspace right here. I want to do a workspace right there. So anyways guys, I appreciate y'all watching. That is the first thing that I've ever done to this car. I pressure washed it. So next step will be the inside, I believe. Anyways guys, until the next video, I appreciate y'all watching.